Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? It is a pretty day today. A little bit cloudy, but it's nice and warm, so I thought I would come take you to our backyard here. This is literally our backyard. So pretty. Look at this tree. It's just so pretty. I've never been back here yet. This is my first time going down the bike path. Not sure how far I can go today. I haven't walked in over, I'd say close to 2 years. So, and this is so much safer than where I used to live. Oh, it's starting to rain a little bit. Where I used to live was on a very busy rural road where everybody sped like crazy, and you can see downtown down there, and you can actually walk downtown. There are sidewalks. I haven't tried that yet. Not sure I'm in that kind of physical shape to be able to do that, but there's the river. It's real pretty. Oh, just when I want to take a walk, it starts raindropping. Raindrops are falling on my head. Hi. This is our building from the back. Oh dear. I waited too long to come out and take a walk. Well, it'll just be a short walk. Just wanted to show you how beautiful it is back here. I am in northeastern Vermont, and very corner of northeastern Vermont. I'm only about an hour and a half from Canada. Look at that big blob right there. What could that be? There's a big black blob. In the tree. I would imagine it's a big hollow. Where is it? Yeah, I can't imagine that being a bear. It's not even moving. It must be a big old hollow in the tree. Bears have been sighted here. So, yeah. And then we have a cute little bridge over here. And look at this backyard. It's so beautiful. Beautiful backyard. We've got a bench here. We've got a picnic table there. The little gazebo is for people who want to come out and smoke. And it's just gorgeous here. So beautiful. Apparently the bear was seen on this road going out of the complex. Up at the top are dumpsters for the restaurant, and he was most likely coming from there. So, yeah, it's just so pretty here. It's definitely postcard material back here. So, yeah. And it is really starting to rain. So I'm going to head in, but I just wanted to show you our beautiful backyard and this little creek right here. It's a cute little creek right there. Okay, we're going back because it is starting to rain. All right, everybody, I just wanted to take you on a quick walk with me today. And I hope that y'all have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.